So before I get today's video started, I talked about doing a giveaway for some tires and some wheels earlier in the week, and it's happening. So all you gotta do is follow these rules. Repost this flyer and be entered in to win. Make sure you tag Tire Streets and tag Konig. It's humid outside. Hold on. It's fucking humidity. That's all you gotta do, and you can be entered in to win. The size of the tires gotta obviously match the size of the wheel that you choose. 4-lug, 5-lug. Konig offers pretty much every size and lug pattern there is to fit whatever car it is that you've got. And I've talked a lot about the Accelera 651 Sport and the quality of the tire. It's fantastic. I definitely think that for anything you're doing in a car, whether it be drifting, road race, daily driving, it will get the job done. So give them a try. If you don't win the giveaway, it's all right. I have a discount code. You can pick up some tires, and I'll link that in the description below. And hopefully get a bunch of you guys participating and checking out the Tire Streets Instagram, Konig's Instagram, and maybe we'll do this more often if we get a good, gosh darn it, a good response from this giveaway. So good luck to everybody. What is going on, everybody? Raven and I, what are you doing up there? Sucking down coffee?
Having a drink.
Somebody's probably gonna tell you shouldn't be drinking coffee.
I have 1 coffee a day. That's it.
Yeah, and no soda.
And the rest water.
We're getting really, really close to Olive being here. Like within the next couple weeks, she is going to be born. So that's very exciting. We're out to get some lunch, and then I'm going back to the house. I took my exhaust and dropped it off to the shop that's next to me to get it reworked and fixed because it's broken in half basically. And so I'm gonna go over there later. I'm gonna show you guys their shop. Some really cool late model circle track cars and trucks, and we're gonna put the exhaust back on the car. So that's what's planned for today. Just wanted to get it started right now. I'm going to get wings and then going home. I'm back at the house, and I got some different tires on the car. They're bald still, but not flat like the ones that were on here. Secured the quarter panels. I'm actually gonna drive to the gas station right now and put some fuel in the car, and then I am going to go pick up my exhaust. The neighbors have the shop across the street. I'm excited to show you guys. That's kind of what today's video is going to entail. It's kind of what today's video is going to be about. It'll be cool to see some of their shit. I think they have a late model car on the lift, and they're pretty neat. They got a dog box, a winner's quick change. Very similar to some of the drift cars, just don't quite look as cool as our drift cars. So I'm gonna fire this thing up. There's no exhaust on the car, so when I fire this thing up, it's about to be loud. Oh man, it's gonna be loud. Oh, here we go. Alright, so these guys are my neighbors, and my exhaust is not quite done yet, so I'm going to pick it up in the morning. But as promised, I'd show you guys around a little bit. And they have a very full house. And this car, this is probably like one of the more like advanced cars, right?
Yeah, it's called super late model.
This is a super late model. It's got a quick change in it, dry sump, oil system, some sort of side shift, 4-speed dog box. Big fucking huge front sway bar. These must be duct. These are the air ducts to keep the brakes cool, right?
Yep.
And then
coilovers front and rear.
Yeah, coilovers front and rear. Pretty crazy alignment for the circle track. Crazy. I don't know a lot about these things, but pretty crazy suspension setup. Is this a fuel safe cell?
Yeah.
Like fuel safe or ATL or something?
Yeah.
We have another brand new fuel safe sitting over there. I think these are a bunch of three-speed boxes and some GM like Muncie boxes that look very similar to like a T101A or a Tex Racing box. Some Mustang transmissions, fucking headers, springs, spindles, hubs. They have everything here. It's pretty fucking cool to see a shop like this. I mean, I'm sure a lot of this is just trash for them and no good anymore, but it's definitely cool to see. Chassis right here, chassis there, chassis there. So what are they changing on this? Clutch? Pressure plate?
Yeah, we're thinking it's pressure plate.
Yeah. Custom valve covers there.
Are you putting this on your vlog thing?
Oh yeah.
Show your car's going on.
Alright. So the shop is pretty cool, but before I leave, look at how big this trailer is right here. This is a 53-foot gooseneck, and it's for sale. And now this guy said, hey, I need some help selling some stuff. I said, maybe I could help you out. They're good people. Look at this thing. Look at that trailer. Guess how much this trailer costs? $12,500. That is so fucking cheap for a 53-foot gooseneck with AC and a winch. $12,500 AC. If anybody wants this thing, shoot me a DM on Instagram. It's definitely very big, but if you've got a program that you're trying to throw together, this thing could be ideal. So holler at me. It's got brand new, there's 12-ply tires on it. $10-ply. Still good. That's what I got on my trailer. Holler at me if anybody's interested in this. I know how hard it is to find good deals on like trucks and trailers when you're trying to get a tow rig, and I found one through my buddy Chelsea, so I'm hoping that maybe I can help you guys out here. There's that 53-foot trailer, and then also this F350 Power Stroke 6-liter, brand new tires. It's got bags on it, and it's in a really, really good shape. 230,000 miles on it, clean title. It's a 03 or 05, I believe. And this is 12.5 as well. So if anybody needs a truck to tow their shit, this thing is extremely clean. Look how clean the interior is. Can't really see it, but it's very clean. Holler at me if anybody's interested in this stuff. I made it home, safe and sound. Car runs perfect. Sucks the exhaust isn't going to be done till tomorrow, so I can't show you guys that, but hopefully you enjoyed seeing something a little bit different on the channel, and I'd like to maybe go over there a little bit more, see what they got going on. If that's something you guys are into, leave a comment, and thank you guys for watching today's video, and hopefully I'll have another video tomorrow putting on my exhaust, and I'm gonna have 2 hangers instead of 1, so it shouldn't break. Fingers crossed. Peace.